Well, hello. Welcome back to the Yamaha DT125 saga, the resurrection. So, I'm not sure if I can do this, but I am going to try. See, I was going to take the plug out, and these bikes were pretty smart in many ways, in that underneath here, a side cover. Hello, come on, side cover. Is a lot of things, including the battery, but also right there, behind the battery, there should be a toolkit. And look at that. And there's a spark plug in there. Now, this spark plug, I don't know if you can see it, I can see it, or I should have my glasses on. It's none too shiny. It looks like it too has had some oil, but you know, it's a two-stroke. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to try not to do anything bad here. So the plug is out, and here comes, this is the wrench, or part of it. The other part I dropped. I did. Where'd it go? Hello. Oh, it's under the tire. Oh, grand. It's right down there. We'll get it. So, there is the way to change the spark plug, and I figure that this is, of course, a two-stroke, and two-strokes do have a habit of fouling plugs, but that is one of the reasons they included this. So if you're out in the middle of nowhere doing an off-road or a road thing, and you foul a plug, that you have everything ready right there to swap it out. So what happens with this thing, it's rather ingenious, is this end of the wrench goes on the top of the wrench, and this end fits the plug. It does. Sorry. There. So, in a moment, when I get down on my knees and pray, and line this up to remove this plug, I pull off the wire, and I put the big part over the plug, and I put the wrench over the little part, and I turn, and it should come right out. And then I gotta see if I can figure out a place and an angle that I can show you this. So, we're looking at the toolkit from a Yamaha DT125. And I'd like to say we're using a steady cam, but as you can tell, it's not so steady. So, let's change the spark plug.